Alright, so let's see how to install Python on your system. To install Python, go to python.org. Here, hover onto downloads, and here you can see that the download is available for Python 3.8.2. By the time of recording of this lecture, the latest version is Python 3.8.2. So click on download. Once the download is done, click on open file and install now. It is going to ask for some privileges, so click on yes. It is going to take some time while initializing this project or this setup. So what I'm doing, I am just pausing. Okay, now as you can see, the installation is in progress. So it is going to take a while. So let me just pause the video for a while. So the setup is complete now. Click on close. Okay. Now, in order to download any of the IDs, what I can do, I can go to Pycharm. So click on download. Here actually two versions are available. One is the professional version and another one is going to be the community version. We are going to use the community version. It is going to take a while to finish the download. So what I am doing, I am just pausing the video for now. Alright, so Pycharm has been downloaded and let's open it. Click on next, next. Uh, Again, add launchers directory to path. Create associations.py. Add open folders as project to the context menu. I'm not going to add the desktop shortcut. Click on next. So again, click on install. So now the installation is in progress. I'll pause the video for now. Once installation will be complete, I'll resume it. So now it is asking if I want to reboot my system now or I'll reboot it manually later. So I'm going to reboot it later. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.